Okay, Tom, I got a little demonstration video here for you of the navigation lights we have built for your Stinson Reliant. This is the main circuit board here. Get it focused for you good here. And you'll note here on the upper left-hand corner of the board, you got a little jumper. And that is how you reverse the action of the servo. That will change which direction the servo rotates with regard to landing lights up or down, and that should make it easy for you to configure it to work with the model you're building and with any servo, regardless of how it is oriented in the model. Per your request, the circuit is regulated. The power going to the servo is not regulated, so if you decide at some point to use a high voltage receiver and you have a high voltage servo, it won't reduce the power going to the servo. It only is regulating the voltage going to the LEDs, so we can control the current to them. I've got a servo here just to show you the action of that part of the circuit. Here are the two 8mm landing lights with the 20mm LED reflectors around them. These are your 10mm LEDs, half-watt LEDs that will protrude through the leading edge of the wings, and then this is your 5mm white LED that'll protrude through the back of the rudder facing aft. And I've got my servo tester here that I'm just using to provide the signal to the circuit. So let me show you how it works. We've got three modes. Mode number 1 is where we are now with all lights off. As we advance the channel, you'll see that your position lights come on, red, green, and white. And then as we advance the channel further, the servo rotates and turns on the landing lights. And you see what kind of a nice output you get from those 8mm with the reflectors around them. Go back again, turn your landing lights off. You don't have to turn the navigation lights off unless you want to. So you can go from mode 1 directly to mode 3, all the way back to mode 1, or any combination thereof. So I'll upload this video to YouTube, send you the link, and assuming everything looks good, I'll get these headed your way. Thanks, Tom.